I know your team must be proud of you, right? I can recall there was a young lady in the paddock earlier. Every time you come around, pure excitement, right?
We love the support, man, so we just have to give thanks all the time, you know?
For real. Now, what can fans?
We got my mother, she come down from Florida.
We are Sharkies today. We're meeting up with 3 of our young guns. Dover, August 7th. Come on, follow me. Young Delapenha.
Yes, Mr. Barnes.
Pick up yourself. Boy, you've made it. This is our IP2 champion. Now he's in the hot class, modified production class 2. I must congratulate you on the first race. Your podium was Nicholas first, Demar second, and you third. Everybody was surprised that to be so. You're the youngest member in the class. This is your first year, and you actually been on the podium three or 4 times. You're very shady in your movement because we can't find it. We can't get an interview. We know the infamous yellow Civic. We see it on the attack, and we see the aggression. I like the transformation in your driving. You're mature and still maturing, and I like the vibes. Tell me about the piston now. that is one of the biggest talk now about the place.
You know, we love that bring the vibes in the sport, you know, the competition.
Yeah.
And of course, everybody know all of us are friends. So, you know, I go call out your friend them.
Oh, you mean?
We want to beat them.
Let me tell you, though. I woke up one morning and when I went on IG, I saw a pretty engine block, you know? And when I look in there, I see some names. So, I mean, how you come up with that? And why you put them on name?
Because I'm a main rival, that's what you mean. I am first more for beat. You're saying, you know, you're the car for beat right now.
Yeah, it.
So, of course.
What is, then my next question would have been, what is the plan going into August? Because the championship is wide open now. The gates are open now. When Demar is the car, I mean, the Tommy is the champion, and Nicholas Barnes is now leading. But with 6 races, it's wide open. You know what I mean? Everybody have to have the A game. What is your plan for August 7th?
Well, the car is competitive now, so we're planning to win. And, you know, we're bringing our A game, we're coming to compete, so we can look out for it, you know.
I've been asked this question numerous times. What is the difference with your engine and Demar engine? What's the difference?
Not really much. It's just Demar engine is the platform that we're really going off of. So like some of the stuff we don't really have everything as yet because I'm not really tell you everything, you know. So, you know, but what we know, we get it. So we're getting there.
Well, I don't know. We know the family base is broad and your fan base, Bonestone now have something to cheer for, and you know the face coming from Maya and the whole Bonestone crew. Big up Jerry,
Team Bonestone.
Team Bonestone, who have never left GRDC from 2020. They've been with us. Nigel, big up yourself. Uncle Maya, Jerry, we can't ask of you enough, and your brother, you know. Now, you are the face of Team Bonestone, right? What are your plans? I know you want to win, I know you want to beat them all, but with all seriousness, we're racing for championship. What do you want to come out having this year, apart from just the experience of beating the MP2 class?
Well, you said it, the championship is wide open, so of course that is on the agenda to see if we can get the MP2 championship, because you know we had the IP3 championship last year. You know that was really good to win it in our first year. So we would like to do the same for the MP2 class. So we're here and we're showing up and we're trying to get the job done.
Nice. Any plans? Any plans of improvement to the car? I know that your rivals are driving Hondas, and Moody seem to be the maestro to get these Hondas. The Moody them have a stronghold on this MP2 championship for the last 6 or so years. Are you planning to go that route?
Well, as we say, you know, Demar is the platform that we work off, and that's where his car is. So, not putting a no on it, but you know, maybe one day the car will be there. But for now, we're seeing where we can go with what the setup that we have now.
Nice. What issues you had at Dover, at Jammers?
Alright, so you know we have more power now, so it's kind of like trying to learn the car over again. So we had some gearbox issues over the weekend, and we set it up in a little way to try to get it to finish all the races, but it never held up, it never hold up. So we were out in the last race, and then we ordered the parts, so it should be good for Dover.
Nice. Who are your sponsors?
Alright, well, you know, Delapenha. We have to big up Auto Love, you know. Spoon put the car together all the time good, you know. Stiffy and Tajay, them always work on the car, you know. We have to big them up all the time. Medical Alert, you know.
So tell what you want to say to Demar, or want you to talk to Demar now. You're your main rival, because that the people that want to hear. Yeah?
We come in Demar, you know, with me and Demar talk every day.
No, but why you tell the people them though?
Oh.
No, why you tell Demar? Why you tell the people them?
We have something for you, man. We have something for you. We're plotting.
You write him a letter?
Huh?
No, you say, you come in. Demar.
The name upon the piston, man. The piston them are work now, you know.
Piston them work now?
Yeah. So, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's all in good fun and sportsmanship, and this is what they come out with racing, and this is what it's about. This is the future of racing, this MP2 class, and it's nice to watch them go, to watch them can enjoy, and they're enjoying themselves. You know what I mean? Look out, our IP champion of last year going off for the MP2 champion, creating waves in the class. The yellow Civic, watch out for it, from Brownstown. Mad. Yeah?
August 7th.
Look out. MP2 will come early. Don't miss this one. Alright? This one is going to be a bombshell. 876 Street. Big up yourself. Oh.
Big up.
Thanks for having us.
Alright, Della.
All motor racing fans, the JRDC presents the Mobile One Independence of Speed on Monday, August 7th at the Dover Raceway in St. Anne. Gates open at 7 a.m. You don't want to miss the intense battles in the modified production class. The young guns will be burning up the track. The big guns will face off for supremacy. Don't you miss the motorcycle action from Jamaica's top bikers. Dover Raceway in St. Anne comes alive on August 7th. General admission 3,000, adult paddock 6,000, limited VIP 15,000, children under 12 1,000. So on August 7th, you can't afford to miss it. JRDC's Mobile One Racing Independence of Speed.
Between now and August 7th, don't drink none from him, brother. Eat none from him, brother. The man plan for you, brother.
I remember I got jumped yesterday. The man said, as a Friday, we are not friends.
Don't talk
to me.
Yeah, the man serious, brother.
man said don't talk to me. Mr. Alright, boss, know yourself. Every second the man call me, yo, the man call me, yo. You know what I'm saying? The place was supposed to stay like we out there.
You see, man, when I talk to
You
you.
man was saying that talk to me.
You man, I'm taking real thing. Yo, let me get something, man.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.